Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks so much for 14,000 subscribers. I sincerely appreciate your time and support. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Here's another video brought to you by Banggood, an online retail store where you shop with fun and they offer lots of freebies, big discounts and deals at attractive prices as low as $0.01. Umidigi mobile brand has been doing a pretty good job in releasing smartphones early with some latest specifications and flagship design at very affordable prices. I have here with me the world's most affordable Android 10 smartphone, the Umidigi A3s, which is Umidigi's latest entry-level smartphone and was launched a few months ago in December 2019. There's also the pricey version, the Umidigi A3X, which has a notch display, bigger 3GB RAM, and a smaller 3300 mAh battery size. Both the A3s and A3X are good upgrades from the A3 and A3 Pro, with similar prices and design respectively. Moving on to the unboxing, here is the signature box. I love how compact it is with the red Umidigi logo and the spiral contours. At the back of the box are the specifications on paper, and it is surprising that all this costs about $70. This is quite unbelievable, but are there any compromises or sacrifices that Umidigi had to perform in order to dish out this smartphone at this price? Well, stick to the end of this review to find out. Opening the box, we are greeted first with a thank you note expressing how difficult it is to build a great phone on a budget and thanking the fans for making it possible. There are always big giveaways, so you can follow Umidigi social media to participate and win. Next is the smartphone showing the key specifications, which are the stock Android 10, 16 megapixel dual rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, and triple card slots. The phone is kept inside a rubber case. Next is an envelope that houses the SIM ejector pin and the user manual in 6 different languages. There's a 5 watts charger. I actually don't expect any faster charger in a $70 smartphone. Finally, there is the signature red color micro USB cable. That's all in the box. I like how Umidigi paid attention to details when designing this case. The rough texture at the back and sides comes in handy, and it also has 2 strap holes for carrying the phone with a rope. There's nothing interesting about the front design. In fact, the big top and bottom bezels might be a deal breaker for some of you, but I can't complain at this price. Although the notch in the A3X makes it better looking at the front side. The choice is yours. There's also a pre-installed plastic screen protector. The back design is where the A3s shines, with its elegant and premium glass finish, as well as its premium metal frame design around the edges. Having a premium metal and glass flagship design at this price range is amazing. Nice job, Umidigi. Like any other glass bag, it is a fingerprint magnet and can break, so it is good there's a well-designed rough texture rubber case in the box. But I don't think you should cover this beauty. You need to show it off to your friends, and I won't be surprised if they call it a $400 iPhone at first glance. This is a midnight green color. There's also the space gray color, but I still prefer the gold color of the A3 and A3 Pro. At the right side of the metal frame are the power and volume metal buttons. The left side houses the triple card slot. I love when the phone has a triple card slot because it saves you stress of switching between SD card and second SIM card. The A3 supports 4G VoLTE in both slots simultaneously, and it has the global 4G LTE band support, which means you can connect to any of your favorite 4G network in any country, including Glo 4G. There's nothing at the top side. Finally, at the bottom are the headphone jack, microphone, micro USB, and speaker. This is a 5.7 inches HD plus 720p full screen display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. It is a good display with good viewing angles. It also supports eye care or night light mode, which protects your eyes at night. The face unlock is faster than expected, and you get to play around with some settings, one of which is the screen fill light to help out in dark environments, and it works fine. The only downside is that it activates in daylight to improve the unlock speed, and it consumes more battery in the long run. The solution is to turn it on at night and off during the day. The fingerprint unlock speed is also good as expected. It is pretty cool that it has a fingerprint sensor despite all the amazing specifications and elegant metal glass design. But as usual, it is always advisable to use only fingerprint security because the face unlock is not really secured. It is quite surprising that at the price of $70, the A3s has a big 16 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel depth sensor and dual LED flash. At the front is also a big 13 megapixel camera, but unfortunately there's no LED flash. In the camera app, you get to mess around with some beauty mode filters. The front and back cameras take pretty good and clear pictures. Here are some sample photos. Umidigi decided to cut costs with the overall quality of the 16 megapixel camera. The image's sharpness reduces faster than normal when zooming in, but this does not happen with the selfie 13 megapixel camera lens. Maybe this might be a software issue. Another cost-cutting measure is with the portrait mode. This is the opposite of portrait mode. It looks like a smart blurring effect. This is also same error with the selfie camera. I hope Umidigi fixes this through a software update. The video quality is quite clear and sharp. It does pretty good in staying on focus. The only downside is the lack of stabilization, despite the fact it has an electronic image stabilization. Overall, the camera quality is quite good for the price. Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks so much for watching this video. Here is the audio and video quality of the Umidigi A3s front facing camera. This is a 13 megapixel camera, and so far I think I love the video quality, but let me know what you guys think about the audio and video quality of this phone. Thanks so much for watching. Here is the speaker quality test.
Tell you something real quick. If that will give you charger, be ready to lose your phone and the charger. I got your from nobody to somebody. And I saw this guy they chase story.
The Umidigi A3s comes with the new Budget King quad-core processor from MediaTek, the Helio A22 12nm chipset clocked at 1.8 GHz. This is a 30% improvement in performance from the chipset in the A3 and A3 Pro. It is paired with a 2GB RAM and 16GB of storage. My overall experience has been good. It can handle your daily social media tasks well, but surely expect some lags, which is normal in a budget processor, especially when running the latest Android 10 system. There's nothing really to worry about, but the Android 10 software has taken up about 1.3GB RAM, and so there's about 700MB RAM left for use, which contributes to the occasional lags, random app closing, and affects multitasking performance. Although from my usage most times, it does well in managing the RAM usage and also retaining apps in the background for a reasonable amount of time. So it is not a deal breaker, and you still enjoy your browsing and chatting. Also, the stock Android 10 software with no bloatware helps to improve performance. One of the advantages of the Android 10 software is the system-wide dark mode, which looks cool. It does not affect the call and message app, but Instagram, YouTube, and system settings all go dark. The important advantage of the dark mode is to extend battery life, and at 15% battery level, the dark mode is automatically activated to save battery life. Speaking about battery life, the A3s has a large 4000 mAh battery size, which is why I chose it over the A3X with a smaller 3300 mAh battery size, while losing out on the RAM and notch display. The 4000 mAh battery performance is good. I was getting about 5 to 7 hours screen on time with 4G mobile data turned on and browsing most times at both 100% and 0% screen brightness level. For those who cares, here are some test results and breakdown of the battery performance when playing music. Watching YouTube. Watching movies. Screen on time with Wi-Fi. And standby time. It took me about 3 hours 10 minutes to charge from 0 to 100% with the 5W charger. It also has a charging LED which is red while charging and turns green at 90%. Unfortunately, this does not serve as a notification LED. All you get is just a notification sound. I can't complain at this price. Playing 2D games like Subway Surf, Sonic and Temple Run performed well, but there are frame drops here and there. You still enjoy the gameplay. As for 3D games like PUBG, it played pretty well, but with random frame drops, which is not too disturbing. The touch sensitivity of the display is very responsive, which allows you to take fast actions, resulting in a smoother gameplay. Here is the highest graphics settings, but I played on the lowest for minimal lags. Here are the battery life performance when playing the PUBG mobile game. Let me know what you think. Here is the Antutu and Geekbench scores. It has pretty good scores for a budget device. Here are the sensors it supports. It is pretty much updated for a budget device. There's also game mode setting, but it does not improve the game performance. It only reduces the amount of disturbance you get by playing around these do not disturb settings. There's no heating issue while gaming. There are also some other cool features like the screen recording with a maximum record time of 30 minutes, the 3-point settings which allows you to use 3 fingers for screenshot and also for split screen. Finally, there are 3 system navigation settings which looks cool. You can also double tap on the power button to launch the camera app. The Google Assistant and Google Lens also works well and it is responsive. There is a super magical screenshot mode where you can customize your screenshot size and shape. This is cool. I also received a wireless update which claims to optimize performance and fix bugs. This means the A3s is future proof. Call quality is also good. I can hear the other person loud and clear. In conclusion, the Umidigi A3s is a compact smartphone that supports one-handed operation. Although it is a little bit heavy due to its metal body, but it is still comfortable to hold and operate with one hand. But I advise you use 2 hands to avoid sudden drops because of the glass back. I highly recommend this phone because it packs lots of value for your money. It gives you the latest Android 10 software, a manageable 12nm quad-core processor, decent cameras, fast fingerprint and face unlock, good battery life, premium looking metal and glass body, triple card slots with global 4G LTE support, 2GB of RAM, OTA updates, all these and more for a killer price of less than $70. Nice job, Umidigi. Let me know what you think about this smartphone. Kindly click on the link below to get your own Umidigi A3s or A3X at bango.com for $70 and $80 respectively. They ship worldwide and shipping time is between 10 to 35 days. You can always check out bango.com whenever you want to buy a smartphone because they offer good prices and discounts. Thanks so much for watching to the end. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.